Alright, Stavi here. I got a treat for you. Okay. I was watching a Timothy Timothy Brown video yesterday. The Slaughter Map King, Timothy Brown. And I decided, it'd be cool if, I've been making this arcade machine game using GZDOOM, but it's not even Doom. It's little space fighters, in space, and there's things I've done to enhance those characters, because all they are is converted monsters. I converted them to something else, and you have to do enhancements to them because for one thing, it's zero gravity in space, and I had to make them float and have no gravity. So yeah, so I started thinking, I was watching one of Timmy Brown's videos yesterday, thinking his latest one yesterday, thinking, you know what, man, I should, if I apply to some of the stuff I've done to regular Doom, I mean, minus float and minus no gravity, of course, it would probably make it a little better. And I had the idea, like right here, this Rapid Fire Imp. It's like, you know, because what I did for the SS Nazi in 2942, he's a little spaceship, and I gave him the Imp Fireball, so he shoots multiple fireballs. Instead of, because there was just too much laser fire going on. I wanted to make it, different. And it gave me the idea. So here we go. I'm going to show you what I did to this guy. But first, what you need to do, you can do this too to GZDOOM, and I'm going to show you. What you do is you open, here, I'll do it here so you can see it, a new text document. Okay, see right there. Okay, here it is. I just drug it to here. Rename it, and this is beautiful. I don't know why I never thought of this before, because I've known this for a while, this trick, but I've never thought to stick it in the actual Doom engine itself. But here we go. Hate info. It's exactly 8 characters, as you can see, and that's the major rule of Doom, is 8 characters for files, and everything has to be within the power of 2. Okay, and as long as you keep that in mind, it's going to let you do whatever the fuck you want to do with it, man. It's beautiful. It's a beautiful fucking thing. Okay, here we go. So we're going to put some code in here, because it can't be blank, right? So first of all, if anybody's watched Chubbs, the first thing you have to fucking do in parentheses is include zcommon dot ACS. Okay, as long as you do this in anything, zDoom, anywhere in the source port, in anything, you could, as long as you include this, it will know what the hell you're doing, man. And what's fun about this is you don't have to put a script number for the source port. You can just do this, and then, tab over. And this is what you're going to do, okay? Thing hate. All right, and then parentheses. Okay, so what we want to do is we're going to do the T underscore zombie, because our test map is going to be The Entryway by Sandy Peterson in Doom 2. That's what our, okay, and then 0. And all the 0 is you can even stick a comment in here. You can put player, like that, and then another, okay, and then true, okay, and then we're going to do another one, and this time I'll just copy and paste it. It's a lot easier, just copy, paste, and we'll change this to an imp, Mr. Imp, Okay, because that's what's in. You got Zombie Man and Imp in the stage, the entryway map stage for Doom 2 by Sandy Peterson. Okay, so there we go. We're going to save it. Okay, there's our code, and it's inside there, see? Okay, I've already done this, but I just did that to show you how to do that, in case you didn't know. But, okay, now we'll open up Slade, because you got to use Slade. You can't use WinRAR. Oops, I got it way too big. Make it smaller. Okay. Okay, now I'm going to show you. I'm going to make sure I'm on the right crap. No. Got to remove that. Got to remove that. Got to open desktop. Rapid Fire Imp. Right there. Open. GZDOOM. Open. Okay, here's where I'm going to show you. See, you got your actors right here. Actors. Click on that. See, I've already done it. I put it in there. Hate info text. And there's the code. Okay, this is Stavi's Haters Club text. You know, just to be a wise guy, I put that there. But anywho, there. Okay. Now, what I've done too for the Rapid Fire Imp. Okay, you can do this too. You're going to have to... I'm not going to show you how to write this down, because all you got to do is just pause this video. Just, you know. What I did is I made his speed... It was 8, now it's 10. Okay. Then right here, see, usually it's just this one here. It's for the missile. You have your troop. That's your graphic. You know, E through F. You know, and I think that's a speed of 8. Your rotation, you know, that's what these are. These are your sprite rotations for your characters, you know. Well, what I did is I just added 2 more, because it's just these 2 here originally. And if you look it up yourself, you'll see it's just these 2 in GZDOOM. Well, I added these 2 so when he throws his fireball, it's not just 1, it's 3. It's pretty sweet, you know. Okay, and then I'll show you what I did to Mr. Possessed. And I'm going to show you, I'm going to add another one, because I think if I add another one, he'll shoot his gun like an AK-47. It'll be, because see, right now it's a 2-round burst. So if I copy and paste right there, now it's a 3-round burst. Okay, so that's 2 guys we've done. Okay, enhancements. This is yeah, I love it, man. This is going to be kick-ass. Now let's watch. Let's start it up. I got my Rapid Fire Imp folder, and we'll get rid of this. We don't need this no more. It's just copy, backup. But I save this anywhere somewhere else once I get this going. But yeah, this is great. This is really cool. All right, I'm gonna go grab the chainsaw, because I'm probably gonna die. These guys are badass now. They're a little more badass. This guy's gonna shoot me 3 times instead of once. Yeah, see, boom, boom, boom. Boom, 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 just like an AK. Alright, let's try a new game. And we'll do it on Nightmare. Yeah, I don't care if it's remotely not even fair. Oh, they even set the guys different. Let's see what happens now. It might wreck me. Oh, this is awesome. So it really let me out. That is awesome, guys. This is awesome. This is super ultra violence nightmare. Doom or whatever the hell you want to call it. Wow. This is for you, Timmy. Imagine if we played this. Play your Vanilla 4. Vanilla Doom 4. I'm thinking it's going to make it harder than the Doom Eternal. It'll be better than that. You don't care about graphics. John Romero said who cares about this? I don't want nothing to do with it. John Romero said 2000. I actually think Vanilla Doom 4 is harder. 21 health, guys. This is great. So what do you think, man? You can't even make it past the entryway. This is great. Well, that was Nightmare, but yeah. Enhanced GZDOOM source porting. Brought to you by Stavi. Yeah. If you do that too, I mean, what I did, I went ahead and did that. I'm going to show you what I did. I'm going to show you. I went to my oh, god damn it. There you go. My final Doom project that I released during Thanksgiving. Okay, and I did that. I put it in here, but look what I did. It's all of them, man. I did all the Doom guys. I went ahead and did that about an hour ago. And what's cool, I think what you can do is you can do this for every actor in the GZDOOM source port. For your Checks, your Heretic, Hexen, Raven, and Strife. You can do all these monsters in this, as long as it's T underscored, because all you got to do is look at all your numbers. You know, you go to zDoom wiki, you know, right here. You can't see it because it's out of the frame, but okay, here's the zDoom wiki. And all you do is type in the search, you type spawn numbers. Or just type spawn, and then it's in here. See right there, boom. Okay, and then come down here. And see, you got your Strife, Hexen, Heretic, Doom. I already did the Doom monsters. I can do these three here. Yeah, there ain't no Checks quest, guys. Huh. That means you probably couldn't even build Checks quest. That sucks. Because I was watching Chubbs play that. Made me hungry for some rice Checks and some sugar on top. But yeah, you got all your, you know, there's your Doom. This is your Doom guys. Everything you can spawn in Doom. That's spawnable. Except for that guy. He can't spawn a player. None. That's the only thing that won't spawn is number. But see, yeah, I started with shot guy, chain guy, went down the line, you know. And then that way I knew I wouldn't. Because I used to be a real good speller, and then I got in a really bad car wreck about 10 years ago and hit my head pretty good, and I can't spell worth a shit no more. So, yeah, so I just was all these guys, you know, just the monsters. I didn't do none of the items. But yeah, you get it. You get what I'm at going at. But there it is. There's the code, and it works, man. I'm telling you. And this will probably work in any GZDOOM source port, even the new ones. You just go to actors and put this in, because you want it in the act, because then it'll read. It's gonna read this one first. You know, when it comes to this right here, it's gonna read these three before it even goes in these. It's gonna read these, because it starts the way it reads from the bottom up. GZDOOM. It starts from the bottom and works. So if you do a long shit ton of code and then you finally get an error when you run it, and it says line script line 1, then that means you did pretty damn good, because that means it read it perfect all the way up to the very first line, and then it fucked up. So it's something usually simple, like you worded it twice or something dumb, you know. But yeah, that's it, man. I mean, the hate info. Yeah, I hope this comes in handy for, all you GZDoomers out there and zDoomers, because GZDoom is just zDoom OpenGL style is all it is. So yeah, zDoomers and GZDoomers, here we go. I mean, make up the ante, make it tough, man. Don't be a wuss. All right, man. All right, it's Stavi out, man.